Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey through the diverse world of operations in Python. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, understanding these operations is fundamental to mastering Python. Operations in Python are broadly classified into 5 main categories: Unary, arithmetic, assignment, logical, and relational. Let's break them down one by one. First up, we have unary operations. These operations act on a single operand, such as unary plus or unary minus. For instance, the unary plus can be used to indicate a positive value, while the unary minus negates the value of an operand. Here, if we are printing the negative number variable, it will give -5 as the output. This is because we used the unary minus operator to change the value to -5. Next, we have arithmetic operations. From addition to exponentiation, these operations are essential for performing basic mathematical calculations in Python. Whether you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, or finding remainders, Python has got you covered with its rich set of arithmetic operators. Let's start with addition. It simply adds 2 numbers together. Next, we have subtraction. It subtracts one number from another . In the above example, the variable a is greater than the variable b, resulting in a positive integer. Let's interchange the variables and try again. As you can see, it outputs -5. But what if you do not want a negative result and instead want to get the absolute value? For this, we can use the concept of absolute value in Python. With this, Python will output only the absolute value. This ensures that the result is always non-negative, regardless of the values of the variables a and b. Now, let's talk about multiplication. It multiplies 2 numbers together. Now, let's talk about division. We have 2 different types of divisions: integer division and floating point division. Next, we have modulus. It returns the remainder of the division. Lastly, let's talk about exponentiation. It raises one number to the power of another . Now, let's talk about assignment operations. These operations combine arithmetic operations with assignment, allowing you to update variables with ease. With assignment operators, we can perform an operation and assign the result in a single step. For a variable x equal to 5, we can perform various arithmetic operations using assignment operators. Let's see how it works. 1. Add and assign. 2. Subtract and assign. This updates the value of x to 3. Similarly, we can perform other arithmetic operations using assignment operators as well. Moving on to logical operations. These operations are used to manipulate Boolean values and control the flow of your Python programs. Whether you're combining conditions with logical and unlogical, or negating a condition with logical not, logical operations are indispensable for building robust Python applications. 1. Logical and this operator returns true if both operands are true. Otherwise, it returns false. Let's take 2 variables, a and b. Here, since b is false, the AND operator will output false. 2. The OR operator returns true if at least one of the operands is true. Otherwise, it returns false. 3. Not. The not operator negates the Boolean value of its operand. You can also combine logical operators to form more complex expressions. In this example, the AND operation is evaluated first, followed by the OR operation. Since A and B are false, the final result is determined by false or C, which is true. Lastly, we have relational operations. These operations allow you to compare values and make decisions based on the results. Whether you're checking for equality, inequality, greater than, less than, or their corresponding combinations, relational operations play a vital role in writing expressive and concise Python code. You can combine relational operators with logical operators to form more complex conditions. For example, you might want to check if a number is within a certain range. Relational operators are often used with if statements to execute code conditionally. Here we are assigning the minimum and maximum to be 0 and 20 respectively. With this, we can output proper print commands, making it easy to understand. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive overview of different operations in Python. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in your Python journey. In the upcoming video, we will see different data types in Python, such as strings, lists, tuples, and more. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.